Tired of using static images with text beside them? Instead, create a video mask to add motion and style to your slides, all within PowerPoint. Let me show you how to do this in just a few steps. Part 1. Setting up the shape mask in PowerPoint. First, head to the Insert tab, select Shapes, and draw a rectangle to cover the entire slide. Again, go to Insert tab, choose a Smart shape, and I'm using this one, but you can choose another. Then from smartart Design tab, click on Convert to Shape. Now ungroup the shape. Just press Ctrl Shift and G. Then delete unnecessary elements and keep what you need. Now position your shapes as desired and feel free to adjust it for a more professional look. For example, raise it slightly to make everything line up better. Now the shapes are in the right place. Let's move on to creating a mask effect. Now first select the larger rectangle and then smaller shapes. And from a Format Shape tab, click on Merge Shapes and select Subtract. This will give you a shape with some empty hole. Now remove the outline and click on this small arrow to change the fill to a gradient. Adjust the color spots to give each part of the shape a different color. And change the direction of gradient from 90 to 45 degrees. Once the gradient looks perfect, add your text, which will be matched by the design. Now we have the shape and text. Let's take it to the next level by adding the video. Now go to the Insert tab, Video, and choose your clip. Right-click on it and send it to the back. Resize it to fit the masked shape. Under the Playback tab, select Start Automatically and loop until the end. Ensure the video plays continuously in the background. Your video will now be behind the mask, creating a dynamic effect. Now let's make it more exciting. For the final touch, let's add a small animated shape. From Insert tab, Shapes, and choose a rounded rectangle. Change its corners using the yellow control handle and apply a gradient fill. Adjust the color, brightness, and transparency to make them stand out. And from Effect tab, increase the soft edge. Then resize it and move it to the right place. Now from Animation tab, Emphasis Parts, choose Spin. Now click on this small arrow and open the Effect option. And from Timing tab, choose Start with Previous. Increase the duration and set the animation to repeat until the end of slide for continuous movement. Duplicate this shape several times to different locations to create a dynamic effect. And that's it. You've just created an impressive video mask in PowerPoint, ready to enhance your presentation. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with more PowerPoint design tips. Drop a comment below if you have any question or want to see more tutorials. Happy designing! Next week, next week. Bye!